Write a short note on employer under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. The term employer is defined under Section 3D of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. It refers to the person or authority who has control and supervision over the employees and is responsible for providing maternity benefits under the Act. According to Section 3D of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, the meaning of employer differs according to the nature of the establishment. First, establishment under government control. In an establishment controlled by the government, the employer means the person or authority appointed by the government for the supervision and control of employees, or where no such person is appointed, the head of the department. Second, establishment under a local authority. In relation to an establishment controlled by a local authority, the employer means the person appointed by the local authority for supervision and control of employees. Or if no such person is appointed, the chief executive officer of the local authority. Third, any other establishment. In all other establishment, the employer means the person or authority having the ultimate control over the affairs of the establishment. Where the management of the establishment is entrusted to another person, such as manager, managing director, managing agent, or any other officer, then such person shall be treated as the employer. Purpose of the provision. The object of defining employer is to fix responsibility for payment of maternity benefits, to ensure proper supervision and implementation of the Act, to identify the person responsible for compliance with labor laws. Illustration. If a private company appoints a manager to supervise and control employees, that manager may be treated as the employer under Section 3D of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961. Conclusion. Thus, an employer under the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 means the person or authority having supervision, control, or ultimate authority over the affairs of an establishment and employees.